Write down today's date, 17.11.21, Wednesday, class work. Those who have just joined the class, we are doing page number 69 of English grammar book. Write down date, Wednesday, class work on page number 69, everyone. So we have read about prepositions in last class. So what is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows relationship between two things in the sentence. Or you can say a preposition links a noun or a pronoun to the rest of the sentence. We have read about preposition of place and preposition of time. Few examples of preposition of place are in, on, under, below, between, behind, next to, near, far. And preposition of time, examples of preposition of time are in, at, on. There are other examples of preposition of time also, but in class 3rd, we have learnt about only 3 preposition of time: in, at, and on. Now let's do exercise A. Underline the prepositions in these sentences. The first one is already done for you. I met my friend in the morning. In this sentence, in is the preposition. Namra, read out the second sentence and find out the preposition.
Yes, ma'am. There is a car at the door, ma'am. At.
Correct answer. Underline at, everyone. At. Ritvik, read out next one. Ritvik, are you there in the class? Okay, let's ask from someone else. Everyone, please open your camera. Anika, read out next sentence, beta. Number 3.
It started raining before 5 o'clock.
Which is the preposition in this sentence?
Ma'am, before.
Yes, before is the preposition.
मैम मैंने अंडरलाइन कर रखा है.
Okay, you have done this exercise. Good, beta. Vyom, read out next one.
Yes, ma'am. Lena is unwell. She has been in absent for 4 days.
Lena is unwell. She has been absent for 4 days.
And 4.
Yes, for is the preposition in the sentence. Aditya Kumar, read out next one. Unmute yourself, Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 5th. Read out number 5th. Naresh coat.
Naresh coat is on the rack.
On the rack.
Rack. मैम इसमें preposition on है.
Yes, on is the preposition. Correct answer. Good. Raymond, read out number 6.
Philip.
It's Philip. Philip.
Philip.
Philip. Sits.
And at the back of the classroom.
Between Mona and Harish.
Mona and Hari.
Which is the preposition in this sentence?
Ma'am, at.
Okay, you think that at is the preposition? No. Here in this sentence, between is the preposition, beta. Between. Between is the preposition of place. It tells you about the position of Philip. That Philip sits at the back of the classroom between Mona and Harish. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Between is the preposition. Ritvik, unmute yourself, beta. Ritvik, can you hear me? Raman, unmute yourself. Anant, Weber, Pakhi, Ritvik, open your camera. Srishti, read out next one.
Aziz live near the school. Ma'am, near.
Correct. Near is the preposition. Pakhi, unmute yourself.
मैम मेरा ना कैमरा ऑफ नहीं हो पा रहा है
On.
मतलब
Okay, it's
on.
okay. Read out number 8. Read out 8 sentence, beta.
8 sentence.
Yes, Pakhi.
The rabbit is sitting under the table.
Which is the preposition in this sentence?
Preposition.
In this sentence, we are talking about rabbit and table. Now, where is the rabbit?
Rabbit
Yes, where is the rabbit?
under the table.
So, which is the preposition in this sentence? Which word is telling you about the position of the rabbit?
Ma'am, under
Yes, under is the preposition.
table.
Under, only under. Under is the preposition. Table is noun. That is the name of a thing. That is noun, Pakhi. Okay, under is the preposition in the sentence. Ritvik, unmute yourself. Ritvik, are you there in the class? Please open your camera or unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. मेरा कैमरा खुला हुआ है.
Read out next sentence, Ritvik.
मैम कौन सा?
9th. You don't know where we are?
ओके मैम. ओके मैम मेरे को पता है वो बार बार कनेक्टिंग मेरा आ रहा था ना थोड़ा नेटवर्क इशू था इसलिए मैम मैं पढ़ नहीं पाया था.
Okay, read out 9th one.
He arrived at the station before the train could leave. Ma'am, at and before.
Okay, he arrived at the station before the train could leave. Here, before is the preposition. Okay. At the station, at is also the preposition. At and before, both are the prepositions. Correct answer, Ritvik. Next one, Vaibhav, unmute yourself. Read out last sentence. Vaibhav. Anant, unmute yourself. Read out last sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Last sentence.
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
Read out last sentence, Anant. Anand. Vaibhav, you unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Read out last sentence, number 10.
Jayant is going to Oxted with his parents.
It's Ooty. Jayant is going to Ooty with his parents. Which is the preposition in this sentence?
Ma'am, is
No, is helping verb. Is, MR, was, were. These are helping verbs.
Ma'am, scooty.
Scooty is the name of place. That is noun.
Scooty.
It's not Scooty, beta. Ooty is the name of place. It's a hill station. Jayant is going to Ooty.
Ma'am,
with his-
going.
That is verb. That is the action word. What happened, Weber? So here, Jayant is going to Ooty with his parents. To is the preposition and with is also preposition in this sentence. Is not the preposition, beta. Is helping verb. Is preposition nahi hai. Okay. Is helping verb. Now let's do this exercise. Take the correct preposition to complete the paragraph. Mischievous Mickey is a tiny mouse who never stays in one place. So here we are talking about naughty mouse. Mickey is a tiny mouse who never stays in one place. He lives dash a hole. He lives on a hole or he lives in a hole. You can write your answer in the chat box also. Which is the correct option? He lives in a hole or he lives on the hole? Vyom, correct answer. Write your answer in the chat box. Yes, Vyom, what is the answer? He lives dash a hole.
In.
He lives in a hole. Okay, correct answer. Mute yourself. Dash the kitchen floor. Below the kitchen floor or at the kitchen floor? Below the kitchen floor or at the kitchen floor? No, Srishti, no, not correct. Anika, no, wrong answer. It's below the kitchen floor. He lives in a hole below the kitchen floor. He often takes tiny bites of the food laying dash the table. So the food laying in the table or on the table, which is the correct answer? Namra, can you tell us the correct answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, on.
On, yes. The food laying on the table. Or dash the bin. Dash the bin. Tell me the correct answer. Or dash the bin. In the bin or on the bin? Vyom, correct answer. Namra, correct answer. You both have given the correct answer in the chat box. No, Anika. In the bin. Bin ke andar. Upar nahi. In the bin. So, he often take bites of the food which was lying on the table, जो table के ऊपर होता है, और in the bin, table के ऊपर होता है या bin के अंदर होता है, in the bin, not on the bin. Dash the kitchen sink. So where is the position? What is the position of the bin? Where is the bin? Beside the kitchen sink or on the kitchen sink? You have to tell the position of the king. Beside, Vyom, correct answer. Anika, beside. You keep your dustbin on the kitchen sink or you keep your dustbin beside the kitchen sink? Obviously, we don't keep our dustbin on the kitchen sink. Beside the kitchen sink. Kitchen sink ke side par, by its side. He peeps dash the bin to see if the cat is out. He peeps over or above? He peeps over or above? Write your answer in the chat box. Namra, correct answer, over. He peeps over the bin to see if the cat is out. If he is not there, if the cat is not there, then Mickey runs around in the house or in the kitchen. Once when he was dashed the chair, he heard a meow. So once when Mickey was dashed the chair, in the chair or under the chair? Srishti, correct answer. Write your answer in the chat box. Vyom, correct answer. Namra, correct answer. Anika, correct answer. So once when he was under the chair, you all have given the correct answer in the chat box. Under the chair, he heard a meow. Dash the kitchen door. In the kitchen door or at the kitchen door? Vidit, where are you? I can't see you on the screen. Vidit and Vishwanath Vora. Are you there, Vidit? Riman, correct answer. Riman, which is the correct answer? Can you tell us?
Ma'am, in.
In the kitchen door. No, at the kitchen door, not in. I have also ticked in also. So meow at the kitchen door. So once when he was under the chair, he heard a meow at the kitchen door. Mickey ran and ran, found another hole, dashed the wall and escaped. So he found another hole where? Near the wall or at the wall? Anika, correct answer. Vyom, correct answer. Riman, correct answer. Aditya Kumar, correct answer. Aditya, unmute yourself and tell me the answer. Aditya, tell me the answer, beta. Near or at the wall? What?
Ma'am, near.
Near. Correct answer. So complete this exercise, everyone.
Below or in